Chris Hipkins has confirmed his attendance at next month's coronation for King Charles. The Prime Minister will lead a New Zealand delegation alongside National Leader Christopher Luxon, Governor-General Dame Cindy Kero and High Commissioner to the UK Phil Goff. Richie McCaw, Willie Apiata and Abdul Aziz will represent honour holders. And Kingi Tuheitia and his wife, Mako Ariki Atawhai, will represent Kingitanga. Channel 9 and Daily Mirror Royal Editor Russell Myers says authorities are bracing for a range of potential security threats.
You've got the resurgence of the dissident Republican movement in Northern Ireland, this Republican movement both at home and throughout the Commonwealth.
Hipkins has also confirmed a visit to Australia this weekend and to the NATO Alliance Summit in Lithuania in July. ASB is predicting the economy will contract by about 2% by early 2024, double what it forecast in its last quarterly update. Its latest economic forecast expects the Reserve Bank to increase the official cash rate by another 25 basis points before holding until the first half of next year. ASB Chief Economist Nick Tuffley says we're potentially already in recession, given GDP fell 0.6% in the December quarter. But the clear thing is the economy will go backwards for a period.
Everybody, to varying degrees, are finding that their cost of living is going up, and people may or may not be getting a wage increase that's big enough to cover that.
Annual inflation has been picked to remain steady at 7.2% when figures are released on Thursday. It comes after Stats NZ's food price index shows food went up 12.1% in the past 12 months. ANZ senior economist Miles Workman says there's a number of things at play, including global supply factors. And the first 3 months of the year have been challenging for retailers. The latest Retail NZ report shows 36% of retailers are meeting their sales targets, but 44% aren't. 28% are unsure or not confident that their business will survive the next 12 months. Retail NZ's Amy Hines says supplier costs, rent increases, the minimum wage rise and for the first time increases in insurance are causing cost pressures.
Retailers are having to increase prices. For example, in the last 3 months, they've increased them by average of 5.4%, and that was a staggering 68% of retailers.
Pressure in the health system is burning out medical doctors at almost twice the rate of other professions. Massey University data analysis shows burnout risk for medical doctors is at 22.7% compared to 12.2% for the wider workforce. Researchers warn medical doctors need more psychological support in the workplace. Management expert Professor Jared Ha says doctors aren't always able to call in sick when they should.
They'll be saying, we're massively short-staffed as it is. If you could possibly make it in, please do. And so you'll get these professionals who are thinking, far out, I've got this duty of care.
People are being encouraged to remember their ancestors through research as Anzac Day approaches. Libraries are offering sessions on how to find military records as a way of helping people connect with relatives who fought for the country. Christchurch Memorial RSA President Dennis Mardell says researching is just one important way of commemorating fallen soldiers.
Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here. And head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.